All right, this is a fitment for a 2023 BMW X7. This is the M60.
Alright, so now you're going to take the base plate and using the foam tape to kind of hold it in place. You're going to line it up, stick it, and then put the front end in to verify fitment. Okay, and this bracket's going to be mounted on the driver's side or the right side as you're looking at the vehicle to avoid the adaptive cruise sensor.
Yeah, you want to make sure that it contours to the front of the car because this is an offset one, so it's not in the center. And usually about 1/4 of an inch or so from the bumper.
Okay, and once you're happy with the alignment, go ahead and pull the front plate off. And you're going to drill your first 1/4 inch hole. You're going to drill the back one first and then the front one. And it's really important when you're drilling a hole, you're just drilling through the plastic, so don't use like a 3-inch bit and cram it way up in there because you'll never know what's up underneath there. All right.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, and then to through bolt it, you're going to remove these 2 screws. They're a 10mm head, they're a 4.8. And that'll allow you to get up on top. Put the 6mm bolt with the washer nut on top. That'll give you access right up on top. Okay, so now you're going to put the 6mm bolt through with a 6mm nut on top and tighten the back one down. Okay, then you take your wrench, put it up on top to hold the nut. Take your socket and tighten her up. Now, also, just for a note, you can leave the foam tape on. It won't hurt anything, you know, that we use to align it. Just leave it on. Now we're going to verify alignment. If everything's correct, we'll drill the second hole and finish bolting it in. And I think everything looks pretty good.
Yep.
Yep. Okay. All right. So once everything's good, we're going to go ahead and put the second hole in. And again, remember, you're just going through the plastic and nothing more. So you want to stop as soon as you go through. Now we're going to add the second bolt. Oops. Or drop it. Okay, and again, using the wrench on top. There we go. Need more than one hand. There we go. Helps if you're actually on the nut. And there you go. Base plate is mounted up. Now you can go ahead and put the 2 screws back in. And there you go, base plate's in position. And all that's left is to slide your front plate on and lock it into place.
Yep, there he goes, and this one sits off to the side here on the driver's side because you have the adaptive cruise, the camera in the center there, so you have to mount it off to the side.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then you just repeat for the other 3 screws. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. There we go, last one. Again, these don't have to be super tight because the nylon lock ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.